welcome back to CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. Today we have kids in the kitchen again, as you can see, and we are going to make our super yummy banana bread for you guys. I actually made this kid-friendly because, you know, we've got kids in the kitchen, they're smashing out the bananas right now, and they thought it would be fun if they had their own little bread pan. So we're using these cute little bread pans so they can make their own individual banana bread today. And I'm excited because who doesn't love yummy banana bread? Make sure when you're gonna start making your banana bread that your bananas, they can be super squishy and ready to throw away. It does work if they're squishy, I promise you that. So if they're like black and ready to just be thrown away, hurry and throw them in a bowl, squish them up and make some banana bread. The squishier the banana, the better the banana flavor. You can add nuts if you want this banana bread, but these two opted out of the nuts today. Usually you'll have most of the stuff at your house, so hopefully you guys can make some of this yummy banana bread with us. And I just got these cute Wilton little pans off Amazon. Super cheap and super fun, guys. So let's start making our individual banana bread today. Also, I have my awesome glass bowl. Yes, we got one here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes, so now you guys can see all the magic in the bowl. Let's get started. It looks like they are done smushing up those bananas, so it's time to make banana bread, guys. Okay, we got our bananas smashed up, and now Paxton's gonna put our half a cup of butter into our bowl. Okay, and then Payson's gonna put a cup of sugar in, and we're gonna cream together our butter and sugars. Okay, let's cream together our butter and sugar. Okay, now that we've creamed together our butter and sugars, we're gonna add eggs. I just put the eggs, 2 eggs, right into our little measuring cup, and I already beat them with a whisk, and then we're gonna add these beaten eggs into our butter and sugar mixture. Okay, good job, Paxton. Now we'll mix that up. Okay, now that we've mixed our eggs into our butter and sugar, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're gonna add 2 cups of flour, guys. I'm gonna dump the flour in real quick. And then we'll combine this, and then we will add our bananas. That's the most important part, huh, guys? Yeah. Okay, now that we have combined our flour into our mixture, it's time to add what, boys? Little bananas. They don't think that these smashed bananas look super yummy, so hopefully they'll like it in the banana bread, huh, boys? Yeah. You'll like it. All right, let's mix. All right, we have combined all of our banana bread ingredients, and now it's time to what? Put it in our tiny bread pans. You guys hold on to these. Okay, let's start by scraping our spatula down, and then we'll put them in our little loaf pans, boys. All right, now it's time to dump our bread mixture into our little loaf pans. The boys were pretty excited about these loaf pans because they get to have their very own banana bread. So we're gonna dump a little bit of each into our pans. I'm gonna fill them about 3/4 the way full. Okay guys, these little mini banana bread loaves baked up so perfect. You guys want to show them your loaves? They're so adorable, and they have their very own loaf of banana bread, and it smells good in here, huh? Does it smell good? It smells good, and they can do kind of whatever they want with their little loaf of bread. So I'm just letting them go to town. They're gonna be able to cut their own up and just have whatever they want. Also, if you guys have made banana bread, obviously, we like to cut it up when it's warm. You can add a little bit of butter to it, or you can just eat it nice and warm. Do you guys want cheese? All right, we're gonna eat a little bit of this banana bread here. It's nice and warm and it looks so good. I ended up cooking it at 325 for 40 minutes instead of an hour because the little loaves, they got done, careful, they got done a little bit faster. So go and make some of this delicious homemade banana bread. You guys saw how easy it was to make, and it's a little messy because it's still warm, but we're gonna eat it anyways. Have an awesome day, guys. Make sure and subscribe to my channel and go make some yummy banana bread. How is it, guys?
Good.
So good. It's good.